Dad, roller for Dad, roller for Dad, roller for Dad, roller for Dad, Sam.
What else?
That.
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 Which one do you think he's going to like playing with the most?
That.
The guitar.
Yeah. Do you like that?
Are you hoping he shares
Yeah.
with you?
That. Peasant. Roller for that peasant.
You're going to play with that.
Yeah.
When he opens it, right? Don't you open it. Are there any more presents under the table?
No. Follow the table.
Can you show me the front loader? Oh.
Let's follow the
Oh, Nolan's front loaders. Do you think he's going to share that one with you too?
Yeah.
That'd be good. That looks like a good toy.
Nolan like the ball. Nolan like the ball.
Wait, is this ball already out?
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be under the table with his other presents?
Yeah.
Could you maybe put it there? Could you put it back under the table?
Yeah.
That way it'll be a surprise for him. Nice job. Good job, sweetie.